Welcome to the Tough Deck Builders Hamilton podcast, the show that helps homeowners turn simple backyards into standout outdoor living spaces. If you have been searching for Deck Builders Hamilton or deck builders near me, you are in the right place. Visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com and follow at Tough Deck Builders Hamilton on Instagram for local project ideas and to request your free estimate. Today's episode is all about local deck design trends across Hamilton neighborhoods. Style is never one size fits all, and what works in Lindenwold may look very different from a project in West Side or downtown Hamilton. This episode walks through what homeowners are asking for, what is performing well, and how to bring those ideas into your own backyard. Around downtown Hamilton and German Village, many homeowners lean toward decks that complement historic character. You talk about slimmer profiles, classic wood tones, and simple, elegant railings that match older architecture while still upgrading functionality. In these areas, built-in benches and compact footprints are popular because space can be tight and every square foot must work hard. In places like Highland Park, Millville, and Fairfield, you highlight a growing demand for larger family decks with clear zones. Parents want space for dining, a grill station, and a lounge area, and multi-level layouts are becoming a favorite way to define each use without adding complicated structures. Composite materials and aluminum railings are common here because families are busy and love the low maintenance. You also call out modern design trends in Westchester Township, Mason, and Blue Ash, where homeowners increasingly request wide stairs, cocktail railings, and integrated lighting. Clean lines, hidden fasteners, and neutral, contemporary color palettes are big, especially on new builds or remodeled homes where outdoor living is part of the overall design vision. Throughout the episode, you emphasize that good design is more than copying photos. It is about matching each deck to the home, neighborhood, and the way the family actually lives outside. The Right Deck Building Company Hamilton can help homeowners balance style, budget, function, and code requirements from the start, rather than trying to fix layout problems later. To wrap up, you invite listeners in Hamilton, Forest Park, Oxford, Sharonville, Trenton, and surrounding communities to explore ideas online, then connect for tailored advice. For anyone ready to turn a plain slab or aging deck into a modern outdoor living space, the next step is simple. Visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com, follow at Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, and reach out to your trusted deck builders near me to start planning your custom design.